sugar? Isn't that Mrs. Benton? I wonder what she's looking at up in that tree. We better pull over and see if she needs help. Hiya, hiya, hiya! What's going on, Betsy?
Oh dear, my cat Fred is stuck up in this tree and won't come down.
Oh my! Oh, what can we do? Maybe we can encourage him to come down. Let's see if this works.
Here he is! It worked!
Hooray!
Thank you so much! I would like to repay you both by taking you out for some banana ice cream.
Yay! Oh boy, banana ice cream! This has been a Fizzle Tunes presentation.